everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is going to be very exciting and fun to make. We're going to magically turn this eggplant into an omelette. You're probably wondering how are we going to do that? Well, let's get started and check out the recipe. Take a nice medium-sized aubergine. So we're going to cut it into thin strips. Just see the way I'm doing this. Just follow this as I cut it. You don't want to cut the crown, you need the crown to hold the aubergine. Next, we're going to cook the aubergine. To a pot of water, add half teaspoon of salt. Cook the eggplant for about 10 minutes. Once the eggplant is cooked, you can check and see if it's a little soft. Turn off the stove, remove the eggplant from the hot water and keep it aside. To a bowl, crack open 3 large eggs. We're just going to season the eggs with a little salt, just a pinch, and a little pepper. Lightly whisk the eggs and keep it aside. To a nice wide saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding 1 large onion finely chopped. Next, I'm adding 2 green chilies finely chopped. Saute the onions and green chilies. After sauteing the onions for a few minutes, add 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste. So, saute the onions and ginger garlic paste on medium-low flame. You don't want the mixture to get burnt. Once the raw smell has gone, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Maintain the flame on a low and give it all a nice mix. So you can see the masalas coming together beautifully. Just pour a few tablespoons of water and cook the masala. The masala looks absolutely gorgeous. Now gently place the eggplant. Just release those beautiful layers. Maintain the flame on low. Close the saucepan and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. You can see the eggplant is beautifully sitting on that masala. Just gently twisting it to center it properly. Now I'm going to pour the eggs all around it. Maintain the flame on a low throughout. We're going to pour the eggs around the eggplant. After 5 minutes, just open the pan. Just check, just gently release it from the sides. Close it and continue to cook till the egg is completely done. For all the omelette lovers, what different types of omelettes have you tried? If there's anything interesting, do share it with me in the comment section. Wow, just look at that. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It's cooked so beautifully. Look at that. Turn off the stove. And you can enjoy this simply stunning eggplant omelette, nice and hot. Of course, make sure to follow all the tips and steps in the recipe to get it perfectly. Wow, this looks amazing, doesn't it? It's time to taste. The masala flavors and of course the eggplant is cooked so beautifully along with that egg. It's just incredible. Such a wonderful dish. It's so easy to make. This eggplant omelette is a meal by itself with great flavors and it's really simple to make. Go get those fresh eggplants and definitely try this recipe and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.